Subject is AC machines to single phase induction motors. Single phase induction motors. Objectives are comparison between different types of split phase motors. Speed control of single phase induction motors and classification of single phase induction motors. Here this is a motor type and HP range, efficiency approximately, power factor approximately, starting torque and typical applications. So this is very important. This is very important. This is split phase general purpose split phase induction motor. Here HP range is 1/22 3/4, that means 0.75 HP. Efficiency is 0.65, that means 65% efficiency. Power factor also 0.6. The starting torque is medium. So the starting torque is medium. Power factor is 0.6 and efficiency is approximately 0.65, that means 65, and this is the HP range is 3/4 range. So here, so fans, blowers, office appliances, low inertia loads, continuous operation. Just like a fans, blowers, office appliances, low inertia loads, continuous operation loads. Next one is capacitor start. Capacitor start. Here this is also so 1/8 to 3/4. Somewhat here the somewhat HP ranges is the starting ranges 1/8 compared to this is the so HP range is so high. Here capacitor start the efficiency is low is compared with this efficiency split phase motor. The capacitor start efficiency is low as compared to efficiency of split phase. Why? Here in split phase 65%, in this case is 6%, and by using of this capacitor, so it improves the power factor. So his power factor is so just is more than that of this one. So this is the 0.7 and split phase is 0.6, but the efficiency is low. Here starting torque by using of this capacitor for starting, the starting torque is very high. The starting torque is very high. So why here the capacitor starting is used? So it is very high. Here compressors, pumps, air conditioners, conveyors are typical applications. Compressors, pumps, air conditioners and conveyors are so used. Next one, permanent split capacitor, it is low torque. So here also 1 by 22, so 1 by 22 3 by 4, same. Here the efficiency is low, and here they are using permanent split capacitor. So here permanent capacitor is used in, so it is the power factor is maximum. Starting capacitor is used 0.7, so permanent is so 0.9. Here it is permanent split is used in the so running condition, so running winding connected in main winding. So the starting torque is low. The starting torque is low for permanent split capacitor. And here what is that applications? Here low starting. What are those? Direct connected fans, blowers, loads requiring low starting torque. Next one is capacitor start, capacitor run. Here this is 1 by 8, 3 by 4. So efficiency is 0.6, that means 60%. And the here using, so these two applications, capacitor start and capacitors run. So these two combined, capacitor start, capacitor run, these two combined which gives the capacitor start, capacitor run applications and efficiency power factor. This is the power factor is 0.9. Why here also 0.9? Here the starting torque is very high. So why capacitor start is used? So very high. So this is the high. The power factor is approximately 0.9 and used in, so here what they are using, starting compressors, pumps, conveyors, high torque loads. What are the high torque loads? Here this is the same as this one, but here air conditioners are given for high starting torque, high torque loads. Now shaded pole motor 1 by 300 to 1 by 20. So here very small rating, this one is very small rating, shaded pole motor. So here efficiency also 60% and power factor is very poor, so 0.45, and torque is also very low, So here fans, toys, hair dryers and loads require low starting torque. Fans, toys, hair dryers and loads require low starting torque. This is the shaded pole motor. So by this observation we observe this one. Here so rating is very slow is split phase and high is, so these are the two HP range. Efficiency is, this one is the maximum split phase general purpose and this is the, so here in general this is the minimum, and power factor is, these are two, capacitor permanent and capacitor start, capacitor run is maximum. Here capacitor start is slow and very small in shaded pole motor. Here torque is very low in shaded pole motor, so very high in capacitor start motor, very high in capacitor start motor. So very high, so it is used in compressors, pumps, air conditioners, conveyors, high starting. So low means fans, toys, hair dryers. That is the applications. It can be done by the speed control of induction motor, single phase induction motor. It can be done by the methods used for three-phase induction motors. It is change of frequency and change of number of poles and change of voltage applied to stator. Change of voltage applied to stator. Among all these methods available, so here the most economical method is to change the voltage applied to stator, because the single phase induction motors used only in small sizes. This can be achieved as follows: use of auto transformers. This method is expensive, so SCR or track circuit may be used to reduce voltage by AC phase control. A resistor in series with motor gives a very cheap method of voltage control. It has the disadvantage: it reduces the efficiency due to energy loss due to energy loss in the resistance. So comparison of single phase induction motors with three phase motors. Disadvantages: so here efficiency is less, so power factor is less, and the starting torque is 0. So here disadvantages: efficiency is less, power factor is less, starting torque is 0, it needs auxiliary winding for starting purpose. This increases the size. And next one is overload capacity is low. Overload capacity is low and cannot be run in reverse direction by changing the supply terminals. Cannot be run in reverse direction by changing the supply terminals. Three-phase motor runs from single phase supply but does not start. So see here, three-phase motor, single phase powered. So electric motor family, this is given different types of motors, AC DC, electric motors AC DC. So in AC synchronous, so different types of motors they given. See here. This part of we learn, this part of portion. These are the special type of motors. Here the variable, synchronous reluctance, variable, and stepper, brushless. These are the different types of motors, that is special types of motors. Here single phase induction motors, these are of fractional horsepower motors. These are classified according to the methods used to start them, that is a split phase motor, capacitor split phase type, shaded pole type. So widely used for fans, washing machines, refrigerators, blowers, and centrifugal pumps, toys, hair dryers, etc. Used in applications such as clocks, recording instruments, teleprinters, etc., where constant speed is required. This is two single phase synchronous motor, this one is two single phase synchronous motor. And two types of synchronous motors in common use are, so that is reluctance type and hysteresis type. So single phase commutator motors, AC series motors, universal motors. Series type can be used with either DC or AC. They provide high starting torque, operate at high speed. These are used in kitchen equipment, portable tools, vacuum cleaners. Special purpose of motors: stepper motors, servo motors. Here, this is the submersible pump set. This is the submersible pump set. And here the single phase reversible motor. This is the reversible motor. And induction, this is the synchronous motors. Induction synchronous motors. And next summary, we have discussed about the comparison of types of split phase motors, speed control of single phase induction motor, and the classification of single phase motors. So this is the class. It is so